your gym routine might be quietly damaging your teeth. Hi, I'm Dr. Christina, specialist orthodontist. If you are into weight training, CrossFit or high intensity workouts, then this video is for you. You're probably clenching your jaws with that extreme force without even realizing it. Sometimes even harder than you grind your teeth at night. And over time, this leads to worn down teeth, enamel cracks, and jaw pain and even teeth fractures. This is becoming more common in Dubai's intense fitness culture. So that jaw tension, the teeth sensitivity that you feel after every workout, this is exactly why. The good news is you can prevent this by staying aware of your clenching and by using proper mouth guards. If you're serious about your fitness, protect your teeth too. Speak to an orthodontist before the damage sets in. Thank you.